Lonely night for a ghost. But where am I going to find anybody who's going to be able to help me if I'm a ghost? Oh! If only would have fallen on my head, then I would have been able to provide some sort of help. Oh, just look at my carcass over there. So peaceful but dead. If only there was some way I could be transceived back in it. I love that. I just really wish I was back in my carcass. I have an idea. There was this one thing at the lab, and there was something for ghosts, and if any one of us ever died, I'm so happy. I gotta go try it out. Wait, my carcass. There we go. Oops. I hope my carcass is okay. Let's go see it. Looks okay. Okay, where's the thingy? Looks like nothing since the big earthquake. But I will find it. The main computer! Still looks in mint condition. But I can't see my reflection. Come on, where's my reflection? I'm a ghost. I always love seeing my reflection. Almost if it was a mirror. Let's turn it on. The button. I can't press it! I have to use my carcass for this one. And of course its shadow appears. Position it just right. Shove it against. Here we are. There we go. It's alive! Yay! Get out of here, carcass. Alright. No! Dang it! There. Finally, after much trial and error, I finally got it. The price of this, I don't have to press any physical buttons anymore. Yay! Okay. Where's the conceiver app? No way. Can I press it? Wow. Carcass. Yeah. Yay! Stupid birds. Not these kinds of birds, though. Which one do I choose? I choose this one. Come on, this one. Do I have to use my carcass for everything? No, I can do this. No. I said. Yay! Yay! No! I missed. I did that. No, I didn't. Yay! Back. What? Level failed? Let's try this again. I won't master the Angry Birds this time. Take that, pigs! Yeah, pretty pigs! I don't know what you are or where you came from, but I don't care. I just want to destroy you. Almost. Yes! Over it. Triple barrel. Just a really annoying one. Looking at it with my yellow triangular bird. No! Ghost Blue here.
Blue, what are you doing? I'm not playing Angry Birds. Bye. No.
Okay. This one. Yeah.
Dang it! My worst one yet!
This makes Ghost Blue very angry. Whoa. Where'd that come from? I give up. Okay, let's find that app. I remember it being hidden in a piano app. There it is. Okay, now, tap the keys in a specific order. Shut up, you'll just ruin it. Alright, see, who's this second black one? And this top, this one? Then, this one? And then the last one is... Oh God, there's so many! I think it was this one. Is this the right combination? I think it was. Dragon. Got this I love me so much. Now, I gotta go rescue them. I've got to do that in a long time. Well, I'm good. I don't think 7 minutes is a long time. But that was the good part about being a ghost. I could fly. Now it's gonna take sheer man power, or blue Pikmin power, to get up this rock face. There you go.
Come on, baby, you can do it.
That was one steep rock face, but hoping I wouldn't die, and I didn't. I'm happy now. Now are you gonna rescue us? Oops. You mean you didn't bring the rescuing equipment? I was so happy with being alive again that I didn't. Blue! You know what this means? I don't want to. You don't want to what? I was just asking what it means. Does this mean I have to die again? I guess, sure. Okay, I'm gonna commit suicide now. It's okay, Blue. You'll just use the transmutator app, right? Yeah, I guess. Well, here goes something that will kill me. Oh my God. Did you actually make it to the top, Blue?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I'm the best. I actually made it to the top.
Blue? 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 Did you die again even though you made it to the top? Oh! Oh. I was really hoping that he wouldn't die this time. Yeah, I was hoping for that too. You ghost again, Blue. For the second time. When do I have to keep dying? Aww. Stupid carcass. Okay. Piano app. Okay, now Buttons. Okay, buttons. Ugh, shut up, they'll ruin it. Okay. That button. And this one up here. And that button. And, this one. I think it's working. Now what to do? Oh yeah, I go back and save him. Stupid sheer cliff rock face. I hate doing that. It's still not worth being a ghost for. Hey guys, I'm back alive! Rescue us this time! Okay. Gonna risk death for a third time, but it'll all be worth it in the end. Hi, Joe. Oh, hi. Hey, did you ever feel like something's watching you? You mean like that right there?